From Daily Forex, this is Chris taking a look at the S&P 500. The S&P 500 does look a little bit stretched on the Wednesday session, and even further when you look at the stochastic oscillator, which is crossing at almost the 100 level. We are waiting for the FOMC meeting minutes, and that would have a major influence on what happens next. But really, I think at this point in time, you've got a situation where we got a little ahead of ourselves. So a pullback probably isn't the worst thing to happen. The 50-day EMA is near the 5,450 level and turning higher, so that might be an area where buyers will jump in. On the other hand, if we turn around and break above the 5,700 level, then it's likely that we continue to go much, much higher. Nonetheless, markets don't go in one direction forever. And at this point in time, I think we are starting to see people willing to step in and take some profit after a massive move higher from the 5,100 level. In general, I think this is a market that is essentially trying to sort out what the Federal Reserve is going to do and whether or not there is a underlying economy that should drive equities higher, or if the Fed is going to jump in and save everyone. There is a very important speech on Friday coming out of the Jackson Hole Symposium by Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell, and that could be the next big mover after this. Quite frankly, we are looking a little bit tired, and I think that makes complete sense here. We could spend some time bouncing around in a 600-point range. We just don't know. But either way, chasing the market all the way up here is probably going to be reckless until we can clear the 5,700 level, as opposed to buying a dip where you at least get some value.